If you're expecting the IRS to just mail a paper check like it's 2012, listen closely. That assumption can cost you weeks. Here's the new reality. The IRS is pushing refunds toward electronic payments. That means if you file your return without direct deposit info, or if your direct deposit fails because your bank numbers are wrong, your refund can get stopped in its tracks. And the part that ruins people is this. You don't find out immediately. You file, you wait, you check your refund, and then you get a notice called CP53E. CP53E basically means we tried to send your money electronically, but we can't, so update your banking info. Now here's where the delay gets brutal. Once that CP53 notice is issued, you typically get a limited window to respond. You update the bank info, the IRS reissues the refund electronically. If you don't respond in time, you're looking at a much longer wait because the refund gets pushed into slower handling. So what should you do before this happens? Step 1. Always choose direct deposit when you file. Not maybe, not later. Direct deposit. Step 2. Triple check your routing and account numbers. I'm not kidding. One wrong digit can trigger the whole mess. Step 3. If you already filed and you're worried you left deposit info blank, watch your mail and your IRS notices like your rent depends on it. Because for some people, it literally does. Step 4. If your bank rejected a deposit, don't sit there refreshing "Where's my refund" all day like it's a slot machine. Handle the notice immediately. Also, quick warning. A lot of people assume they can just call the IRS and fix this on the phone. That's not how this works. The IRS is going to want you to update the info through the official process, not through a random phone call. Bottom line, paper checks are being phased down. Direct deposit is the default now. If your direct deposit is missing or wrong, CP53E can turn a normal refund timeline into a drawn-out delay. So do the boring thing that saves you weeks. Use direct deposit. Verify your numbers. Don't screw up the banking info screen.